Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given exponential equation 3 power 88 plus 3 power 88 plus 3 power 88 equals to 3 power x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first thing. We can write this 3 power 88 equals to 3 power 88 times 1, and likewise for all these three terms. And now we can see that 3 power 88 is in common among all these three terms. So therefore I can factor out 3 power 88 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 inside this parentheses equal to 3 power x on the right hand side. And here I have replaced this part by simply 3. And now this 3 could be written as 3 power 1. And now let's recall this product rule of exponents. So therefore the left hand side could be written as 3 power 88 plus 1 equal to 3 power x. And here in this next step, 88 plus 1 is same as 89. And now we can see that our bases on both sides are same. So therefore we can equate our exponents as well. So therefore our x value turns out to be simply 89. So thus our solution turns out to be x equals to 89. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.